By investing in clean energy technologies, promoting energy efficiency, and prioritizing social and environmental sustainability, we can build a brighter future for the next generation.
Again, Iloilo wouldn't be this progressive, no? If not because of the leadership of our city mayor.
We are trying to look for solutions. DOE and ERC, together with other stakeholders, are putting our heads together. I would like to welcome you. I hope I gave a very good welcome to Iloilo City. Iba ang Iloilo City. Mayong aga sa inyo tanan.
NEA and electric cooperatives are exploring renewable energy sources to service rural households inaccessible by conventional means.
It stimulates innovation and fosters the development of a skilled workforce in the green energy sector.
Tackle energy challenges head-on, focusing on innovation, efficiency, and responsible operations.
No? But I really believe, no, those who are short, no, I mean, not to make any discrimination, but yung mga puso nila malapit sa lupa. No?
The countless nameless persons who help us put this event together. Marami po sila, nakakalat sila dyan. And without them, this event will not be successful. So salamat po sa inyo.